Bikers anthem, me I got chopping it, you see? Bless up judges, everybody, you see me? The boy them give we girl most definitely. Them say, two of me clean them off for you to take me. Every girl a road that said them off forget we, and them not forget me. Official, this are the bikers anthem. Some want to see the bikers and them. Girl, if you fit for the ride, jump on the bike, but no the key and the ignition then. That are the sound of the double R. It take a girl so quick and bring her back, you know, miss her. That are the sound of the Kawasaki. Go ask Diddy if he remember take no catty from. Hear the sound of the muffler. Me ride the jigsaw and see a girl and go for her. The $600 key party. Yeah, if me use and take up a pay shorty. She said me love it how you flash it daddy. The way me dilly and daddy she sing like a shanty. Then me get the cousin could left the auntie. Me bucket in at the alley she da shake it for me. Me ride up in at the traffic granny. Same time see they look over catty call me. Make every catty Huawei. Kawasaki double R and no dinner. When me a ride no ask if me have a keep on me. No police can't whop it on we. We full of big bike in a the army. Gyal a roll, we make a flex, watch it duka. We take a gyal from any black crazy gyal a stalk. We have no damage a gyal that then a feel daddy. The bike them give we gyal chop hardy. Gyal a left them husband figure winner. That are the sound of the double R. It take a gyal so quick and bring her back, you know miss her. That are the sound of the Kawasaki. Go ask Diddy if he ever take no catty from.
Hey, daddy, big up yourself, what you say? And that sound there? Alright, you know what's going on, yeah. Alright, judges, you know what's going on. Alright, General, we're going to start with you over, General. You know what's going on, daddy, da.
Daddy, di, da. Daddy, da. Oh, hey, and you body in the youth. You see that song they do? Unique, tough. I love how you fit it in at the rhythm. Because I listen to the rhythm and the rhythm I make the sound of the bike. You see me I deal with some, I rate how you fit the song on the rhythm for go with the rhythm. Song title tough, but all of the bikers. But me think you could deliver it with more energy. And you see me engage and you know we are artists and give you that little style and you see me? No, but as an artist you have to tell selectors say turn up my rhythm because we are artists and we in control and we have the fire-phone. So with that, we can give a solid 8 as well, my G. Manners.
Alright, thank you for that, Arrow General. Kisha. Hey, me see Iraq over there now. What go on?
I love that so much. You know, some love, if I hear a certain rhythm, a certain beat, yeah, vibe. Once you are saying encouraging vibes to women, you know, I'm on the ball with that. So I have to give you a 9 for the one day. It's fun and easily you can rock in a dance hall. I love it.
Thank you for that, Kisha. Alright? Yeah, Nero Malisha.
It's a solid 7 for me. Because, as I said, the energy never did there. Bad song, my friend. As the Ara say, when they're up on the stage, you're an MC, you're an artist, brother, and you control the crowd. So if it's a light man, dim the light, light dim. If it's a cameraman, lock off the camera, lock off. If it's a nobody enough to look, nobody not gonna look. So you in command still. So a solid 7 for me right there, right?
Word of advice, like myself, da. You know what's going on.